This tastes so good. You guys, go out and cook some of this for yourself, cause. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanique. If this is your first time here, I hope you guys are hungry because today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Jamaican steamed fish and crackers. Stay tuned. So here's what you'll need to make your steamed fish. I got some snapper, some yellowtail snapper. I got some potatoes, carrots, okra, pumpkins, onions, jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some pimento seeds, habanero pepper. This is really spicy, so you want to be careful with that. I got some garlic, thyme, some Maggi all-purpose, Maggi fish seasoning, butter, chicken flavor cock soup. Yes, I know we're cooking fish, but I got chicken flavor cock soup. I got some fish seasoning, some coconut milk, and of course, crackers. Make sure your fish is well cleaned and cut. I already prepared everything, so I didn't show that part. But now I'm gonna season my fish. So I'm just gonna pour out all the seasonings. And make sure your hands are clean, okay? You want to make sure you coat the fish nicely. I know it's a lot of seasoning, but this is what's gonna make your fish taste good, okay? Mash out everything. You just want to massage everything in so that your fish is well coated, so it comes out well juicy, you know. And don't be afraid to touch it. Okay, so once you finish seasoning your fish, you want to leave it to marinate a little bit, but while that's marinating, we're gonna start with the vegetables. So I'm gonna use a stick of butter, not the whole stick. I'm just gonna take off like that much. What is that, a quarter? No. And pop it in my pot for it to melt. I'm just trying to speed up the process a little bit by rubbing this all around the pot. I'm not sure if there's a lot behind it, but I work with it. Okay, so now that my butter is melted, I'm gonna add in the rest of the seasonings to my pot. So once you put your seasonings in, now you put your coconut milk. I'm gonna pour everything. Shake it out, you know? And just put that and stir. Cover your pot and let it simmer for a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna allow my vegetables to cook for just a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna put the okra in and then my fish, because these take longer to cook, so I'm gonna leave them in for a while. Okay, so it's been about like 5 minutes, so now I'm gonna add my okra to the pot. I don't know, how do you pronounce it? Okra or okra? I don't know, but it's going in. So this is just my way of doing the steamed fish. I know a lot of people do it a lot of different ways, but you could take away something, you could add something if you want. It's really your preference. So now I'm gonna add my fish to the pot. I'm not gonna put it all the way to the bottom. All right, so now I'm adding my chicken noodles. And then I put some water in the pot, the pan where I had my seasonings. So I'm just gonna pour that in. Make sure you get every last drop. Just leave the pot for go on bubble, you know, you zip. I want you guys to just take a look real quick. Just look at the magic that's happening right now. Alright. So I'm gonna add my crackers now. I'm gonna add just a little bit because I know you guys probably are wondering where was the salt. I didn't put any salt in it because my mom is gonna eat out of this and she has high blood pressure, so I can't cook with salt for her. So afterwards I'll add in a little bit. So I'm just putting the crackers. She can't eat about 6 crackers, not too fair. So I'm just gonna let hers get soft a little bit. All right, so one fish down. That's it. So there you have it, you guys, the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys don't run too much, you know. I'm gonna grog right now because my belly empty. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.
Some guy wants to have a chair like his chest. That was one hell of a splinter.
By the way, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and get me to 1,000 subscribers. It's only right. I'm cooking out food. It's only right, right?